Hello guys, welcome to Solid Tutorial. Now we shall see one more interview question, that is how to know the last accessed date and time of HTTP session. In the last session we learned about how to know the creation time, time, but now we are learning how to know or how to get access the last accessed or last request accessed date and time of HTTP session. So here you can get this information by using session dot the API called session dot get last accessed time. Method name is get last accessed time, and here you will get last access time into the form of data d. Okay, fine. So this get last accessed date and time method, this method, or let me write here, this method that is get last accessed time. Okay, gives date and time, it gives like date and time. So actually directly you cannot convert here date and time, so let me hold into long into milliseconds, and let me convert into date d to new date of, and here you need to pass here milliseconds. Okay, so once you pass here you will get milliseconds, so here you will get in milliseconds, and this will get in date format, that is java.util dot date. Okay, fine. So this method get last accessed, this method gives date and time representing when the web process program of the web applications lastly accessed the session object. So this method get last accessed time gives date and time, get data time representing when the web process program, when the web process programs of web application lastly accessed this session object. Okay, fine. So I want to get this date and time, so let me work with this in already created. This is my first solid to create a session, new session, and here already created. Okay guys, so here, so long milliseconds, so I will use ms session dot get last accessed time, and here is, let me use d1 because already created data milliseconds, and here not ms, here also I'll pass ms1. okay, here is ms1, and let me print here. You can print in millisecond also, or you can print in date format also. So I want to print not creation time, but I want to print last accessed session object. So session object lastly accessed, okay, or retrieved, lastly accessed or retrieved or used. Okay, fine. So let me print these values in date format, so here you can use d1 in d1. okay, so let me correct my questions. So last accessed or retrieved or used. Okay, fine. So let me run the applications, and you can see here the lastly accessed date and time. So running the web applications, so let me go for my first servlet. So session started. Now I can go for, here is my second servlet. And lastly accessed 745 created and lastly access the. Okay, fine. So now let me refresh. Now you can see here created 7:45:08. Okay, and lastly accessed 7:45:31. Even though if I refresh, it will change 7:45:45. Again if I refresh, so you'll see here 7:45:57. Again if I refresh, 7:46:01. Okay, fine. So you can see the difference. So let me go to my Tomcat server console, localhost, and manager app, and you can see here lastly accessed where is my session 60 question app, and you can see the same. Control F5. So 7:46:15. So near about same 7:46:15 last accessed time you can see here. Okay, fine. So last accessed time, that is 7:46:31. So let me refresh. Control F5. 7:46:31. Okay, Control F5, resend. So here 7:46:57. Okay guys, so Control F5, you can see here. So I'm trying to refresh and you can see the date and time is changing whenever I give the request. Okay boss, fine. So let me use this statement here and print D1. Control X, Control V. Okay boss, fine. Long millisecond session dot get last access time. Fine guys, so after this we shall see let us create one Java web application to demonstrate session tracking using HTTP session with cookies. So it contains more than, so I'm trying to use more than 3 to 4 solids. Okay, and trying to access. Okay, fine guys.